Okay, this is the second version of the math tiles. Just like in the first version, you're going to select 10 cards from your stack at random and put them in the middle of all players. Each player will still get their 9 tiles, numbered 1 through 9, but this time you're going to get 2 of each operation. Place them beside your tiles, and you will have a timer. It could be 30 second, 45 second, a minute, how much ever time you want, but I think it's best right around 30 seconds. So the goal of this game is to be the person to be able to achieve the number in the middle of the table with the most amount of tiles. So we'll flip that number and then we'll start the timer. And players will begin to try and create the number in the middle of the table with as many tiles as they can. So let's say I can get this by multiplying 8 times 4 plus 3. I would say 3. If someone else thought they could get it in 4, which I could do if I just divided by 1, then I could say, or any other player, 4. But I must call a higher number than the previous number called. Once the timer runs out, the person who had said the highest number will then have to prove that they can create this number with that amount of tiles that they called out. And then because I used 4 tiles here, I would get 4 points. However, if a player had called 5 just before the timer ran out, they would prove that they can get it in 5, and then they would score 5 points. We would continue to do this until all the cards have been used, and then the player with the most amount of points would win that round.